A fair amount of our customers here are Burlington Electric Department employees, and I think a lot of them came in here and saw our dismal lighting and said, you know, we got programs that can help you here. The program that BED offers, first there was a federal grant to cover some of the cost of this, which of course was very attractive to us. And the other part is the whole energy savings that you realize is rolled into you, so your bill really doesn't change, yet that amount of money for the new lighting is financed over that course of time. So really your energy savings, your bill would normally go down, but you keep your bill where it is, and as soon as that's paid off, your bill goes down and you got new lights and life is great. So great program. I mean, it was really a no-brainer for us. All 4 major rooms are being redone. The lesson rooms are being redone. Going to get rid of all the old inefficient fluorescent lights that have the ballast. I can't tell you how many times a year a ballast will go here, and we've got to get the electrician in. He gets up on the ladder, replaces it, but $130 later, we've got the light back in operation. The new fluorescents that are all LED driven are so much more efficient and such a better, warmer light. It's going to be great.
We are totally happy with the project. Came out great, as you can tell behind me. We're so much better lit than we were. It's been fantastic, and would highly encourage anybody that's even thinking about this, if they wanted to talk to somebody that's been through the program and process, please call me. Please come give us a jingle. We'll walk you through the store and everything we went through. It's been fantastic.